You got it?
Yep, let's do it.
Cool.
Alright, so we're going to start by making the equation. We get a 4 and a 1, so we get...
Ooh, 41.
Writing 41 on that side? Left side? A 4 and a 5. So we get 45 on this side. Alright. Put those at the bottom of the deck. Go ahead and you can go ahead and draw your side cards now.
6.
Yep, 6.
1, 2.
I'll draw the numbers.
3, 4, 5. Oh. 6. 6.
6 for you.
Thank you.
Then we get our 4 subtraction and 2 division.
1.
Just reshuffle them.
3. 4. 1. 2. 3. 4. Shuffle it?
Yeah, I can do that while you dip your mouth again.
Oops. I gotta give myself one too many divisions.
Oh, you can go ahead and get over here.
1. 2. Yep, here we go. 4.
Good enough.
There
Alright, you want to go first, or should I go first?
you go. You go first.
Alright, I'll go first. Let's see.
Should have like all number ones in one bucket here.
Okay, yeah, we do.
The operations in the bucket. Oh, slide. Alright.
Alright. I'm going to subtract 1 from both sides. So, 40, 40, 4. So, I got one side to be a multiple of 5, so I will get 1 tally of that.
And if I get both sides, I get both points?
Yeah.
Okay.
So I'm playing. Okay.
Do you draw more cards? Or?
No, we draw one right now.
Okay.
So.
So I'm going to go ahead
Okay. Yeah.
and subtract 4 from the right side.
All right. So just a heads up, when you take your operation cards and you put them in a discard pile, because we're just gonna get the same number of discard operation cards when we're done, and then the other ones go at the bottom of your
Makes
decks.
sense.
Okay. Oh, actually, we both get a 10 out of 5. Haha. So we each get 1. All right. So, did you have a strategy behind that move, or did you just go? What was your strategy behind that move? Because I was supposed to talk about it. So, let me say my strategy real quick. So,
Sure.
my strategy for the first move was I wanted to make it so one side became a multiple of 10, but the other side is not possible to be divisible by 5. Only one side is. So that way, maybe he would, like he did, make the other side divisible by 5. So now I can divide by 5 on both sides. Or
Get 8.
by 4, actually. I could do by 4. And therefore get to a multiple of 10, draw the game down so that way you can't have that chance of a multiple of 10 anymore. And I'll get it on both sides so I get 2. So that's what I'm going to do.
Quite the strategy there.
Yeah. So I divide both sides by 4. We go down to 10. The game gets close now. Real fast. Oh, and something I forgot to do which is a mistake, is at the end of each round, we do the random play, where we draw a card from each one. So, after your turn, we'll do it. Oops.
Okay.
So you can go ahead and go again. It's your turn.
Okay. Well, that was quite the strategy.
Yeah.
What I will do then is I will.
That would be bad. That would be
Yes.
bad.
Now it gets tough because
Are
if
the
you-
numbers random?
the numbers the numbers you draw?
Yeah.
Yes, they're random.
1 through 10. 1 through
They're
10.
1 through 5. They're 1 through 5.
1 through 5.
They're 1
And
through
we
5.
have
So
6.
so
And you've played how? What numbers have you played? You've played 1 and you've played 4.
4. Yeah.
Okay.
But they're random, so I could still have a 4 and I could still have a 1.
Gotcha.
Now the thing
I'm
is
trying to
that
decide if I want to go crazy here.
I see. So yeah, so one thing he could try and do is he could divide, but though that might be really scary because I might still have a both card.
If I just
and
divide both sides by 2, for example, if you have a 5, you win.
yeah, what if I have a 4, right? Because I can't go. Or 4 or 5. I can do a 5 by division,
4.
or I can do a 4 by
I didn't even
subtraction.
think about
Yeah.
subtraction.
Yeah, so
Subtraction.
so one thing you could look forward to is you could just pressure me by getting 1 down to a multiple of 5, only one side, and then I have no choice but to make my play of trying to get the other side or that side equal to 1, and we have to try and chicken our way down until both sides equal 1.
Okay. That sounds smart. So I'll do that.
That seems like the best play. I don't know.
I
One play you could do is you could not even do a 5, and then you could try and do
I
something
will
even crazier. But I feel
subtract
like the best
5.
move.
From the left side.
Okay. Very good.
And the strategy behind that we just discussed.
Yes. Okay, so the left side, right? Okay,
Yes.
so 5. And we give you 5.
And
And
now
now we
random.
do the random play. So we draw 1, 1.
So that's added. That's legit changes the.
Yes.
Oh. Wow.
So now this goes to 3. This is really good for you, not good for me because it doesn't do anything for me still.
Why
I
is it
still
good
have
for me.
because your objective was to get a score point and make sure there's no way I can win or really take the advantage. Like you're still in a point of advantage now because now I need to make a play to get this lower
But I'm-
or this lower.
I'm losing right now.
You are losing,
Right.
but if you get the 1 equal 1, because let's see, these
So
are
I get 10, right? 2 of 10.
no, you only affected this side.
Oh, you only get the points for this
Yep,
side you
yep.
affect. Gotcha.
Yep. Okay, so yeah, you're down. So what are these? Are 3? So this is 9. So I have 9 points. So if you get the 1 equal 1, you still win because that's 15. Right?
Gotcha.
So
Okay, you only get the sides you affect. Interesting.
yes. Okay, so now my play. I don't know. I want to get that 5 point because it brings me that much. Well, no, actually, it's not going to do anything for me because at this point in the game, no matter what I do, the only thing that's going to win the game is whoever gets 1 equal 1. Because the way I played the game so
Yep.
far. So what I want to do is I want to put you in a position where you need to make it so I am the first person to get both sides equal 1. So how are we going to do that? We're going to play a game of chicken, I guess. I will. No, I don't want to do that. Actually, I do want to do that. I will divide. I only have 1. Yeah, I only have 1. This is my last division card, but I think I can use it. Because it's going to be too low to use them again anyway. To the left side. No? No, actually, I'll do it to the right side. My bad. I'll do it to the right side. By doing this, so this is 3.3. We
So
round
rounds up
up
to
our
4.
numbers, so we go to 4. And this is equal to 1. Actually, that was silly of me. Haha, I'm silly. No, I only did the right
You
side.
only did the right
I
side.
only did the
You're
right
okay.
side. Yeah, I'm fine. I was thinking too fast.
That is a random after each one or after my turn?
After the round, so after
After
us
the
both go.
round. Gotcha.
Yeah. So,
Okay.
this is good for me because now my partner here, my fellow player, only has. He can't do something to make both sides equal 1. It's still, he only can affect one side. And now we're in a point where you only need to make one play to get each side to equal to 1. So now it's really down to the wire on getting. You only can do a couple more minuses or a couple more divisions because we don't get that many divisions cards. So we're kind of playing neck and neck to see who can.
So if it goes below 1, it just doesn't count.
It doesn't count, yes. So you can't subtract like 5 to this or 4 to this, for example.
Gotcha. So if I play it, does it? If I okay.
It just won't count. So it is a move. It's like a mulligan move.
Yes.
You could do that.
You. Just to waste a turn.
Yes, you could do that.
Yes, I understand. Sounds good. What I will do is I will hopefully have the side I want to play on.
I know. I keep forgetting to check my sides. That's because that is the thing. You could run out. Like I don't have any more. I don't have any more both sides. I'm kind of giving that away, but that is something to think about because there isn't as many in the deck of side cards. I didn't put as many both sides as I did left and right sides because I feel like that is a power play. The both card.
I'm going to subtract 2 from the right side because I believe that you won't be able to turn both sides into 1 after I do that.
You're right. Now, one way you can think about that. How'd you come up with that?
I came up with that because subtraction wouldn't work because obviously you have to subtract the same number, and division would not work because 1 would round up to 2.
Yep. And another thing you can remember is since you only get 4 subtraction cards and 2 division cards, I used both my division cards, so I don't even have division anymore.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, now we do the random. Let's see what the random does.
Hopefully nothing to destroy me. 5.
Yeah. Nothing. 5. It was -5 to the left, and 5 minus 3 is a negative number, so it doesn't count.
Okay.
So it's nothing. So now it's my turn. How am I gonna do this? Do I even have a card that I can use to affect it? So right now I'm in a situation where I have a 3, 5, and 2. So the only thing I
what
could
happens
do,
if this brings it both to 1?
then that's it. You got it.
No. The random action takes it both to
Oh,
1.
remember you don't get the points. No one gets the points.
No,
the game
it's
ends.
The game ends. Gotcha.
So I'm in a situation where the only thing I could do that would affect the equation is a 2 minus to the left side. And I obviously don't want to do that because that would make one side equal 1. You come in and take the win. So I'd rather mulligan my turn
Don't mulligan.
by doing. I guess I'm never going to use a 5. The 5 is going to be nothing. So I'll just. And I only have 1 left card left, so I don't want to use my left card. So I'll do 5 minus to the right side. And I'll just do nothing. So I won't do it. Your turn.
Okay.
Let's see how much time we have. We got 1 minute left.
1 minute left. I'll do it very slowly then. That way we fill the time as I beat you.
Oh no, you're fine. Just go for
I
it.
think I got you.
You should just go normal speed.
So if I divide both sides, wait a second. If I go under 1, but it rounds up to 1, it's 1, right?
Yeah,
Okay.
it rounds up.
Yeah, okay. So if I
Oh
divide
shit, I forgot about
both
that.
sides by 3, it goes to 1 2/3, which rounds up to 1.
There you go. You got it. You got the
Woo!
1. I did see. That's another strategy you can do. I did not think of that, and that's where skill play can come into it because there are certain moves like this one that you can use. So yes, he's right. Both sides go to 1. So he gets the 1 equals 1 condition.
So my move wasn't safe at the beginning because if you had to divide by
Yeah.
9, for example, you could have.
So if you had a 5 though, would a 5 work?
No.
Yes.
4. Oh,
Yes,
yeah.
the 5 would have worked. So a 5 would have worked there. I didn't see that at all.
Any divides would have
That
worked.
is really
Yeah.
dangerous. You got to really keep an eye on those divisions.
When you get to the low numbers, you
Yeah,
gotta watch
so
out.
that's good that I only did a low amount of division cards because that works out. So from the scoreboard, the 10s equal 3 points, the 5s equal 1 point, and the 1 equals 15. So from the scoreboard,
Can I see this? Maybe you want to show the scoreboard.
oh, scoreboard, yeah. So I had 3 multiples of 10. He had a multiple of 5, a multiple of 10, and the win condition. So I only had 9 points. He has well over 9 points with the 1 equals 1 condition, so he wins. All right, good game.
Good game.
All right.